If you want to change the crosshair on your AOC monitor, it's actually pretty simple once you know where to look. First, locate the control buttons on your monitor. They're usually under the screen or along the back right edge. Some newer models use a small joystick instead of separate buttons, so check carefully. Once you've found the buttons or joystick, press the menu button to bring up the on-screen display. From there, use the arrow keys or move the joystick to scroll through the options. Look for sections called Game Mode, Game Setting, or OSD Setup. This is usually where the crosshair options are hidden, and some monitors even let you see a small preview before selecting. If your monitor supports it, you should see a crosshair setting where you can cycle through different styles. Some models let you pick different shapes, sizes, or even colors. Take your time to experiment and find the one that feels most comfortable for your gameplay. Once you find the one you like, just select it and confirm your choice. If you don't see a crosshair option, your specific AOC model might not support changing it, or it may only be available under certain conditions, like specific resolutions or input types. Some AOC monitors also include a shortcut, often the right arrow button, to toggle the crosshair on or off quickly without opening the full menu. Following these steps ensures you can customize your crosshair easily, improve your aiming, and get the most out of your gaming experience, even if your monitor has limited options.